San Francisco is not only diverse in culture, but also in its geological features, down to the very rocks beneath our feet. The sea cliffs at the Marin Headlands in particular are made of several different types of rock, which include chert, pillow basalt, and sandstone. The foundation which the headlands sit upon is mostly made of radiolarian chert, which is a sedimentary rock made up of billions of tiny creatures. Many years ago, there existed a prehistoric shrimp-like organism called radiolarians. A large population of these radiolarians lived upon the sea floor, which was the Farallon Plate. Over time, as the Farallon Plate subducted under the continental plate, the skeletal remains of the radiolarians were scraped up against the continental plate, resulting in layers and layers of condensed exoskeletons. This can be compared to the cream stuffing of an Oreo being scraped up and piled on top of another. Another common rock found at the Marin Headlands is pillow basalt. Millions of years ago, pillow basalt formed around mid-ocean ridges several thousand miles from the west coast at the bottom of the sea. It was created when volcanic vents spewed lava onto the sea floor, and upon contact with cold water, the lava solidified into pillow-shaped deposits, with the outside cooling much faster than the inside. This created a kind of hard shell surrounding the soft center, much like the structure of a jelly bean. Sandstone, which can also be found upon the chert foundation, also indicates the subduction of the Farallon Plate under the continental plate. This can be characterized by the layers of rocks in order of size. The sandstone formations show a pattern of large pebbles being on the bottom and smaller particles in clay on top. This suggests that a whole layer collapsed off the edge of the continent underwater that was sorted by particle size before being compacted and cemented together into sandstone. Although we may not have initially noticed the presence of the different kinds of rocks that surround us, they are each significant to the land in their own way. They are significant to us, for these rocks that were created millions of years ago are now the foundation for the wonderful city we live upon, San Francisco. And to think, the proof is there all along, silently grasping to our feet as we watch the Pacific tides rise along the sea cliffs of the Marin Headlands.